Science does not advance in isolation. Every major scientific breakthrough has been enabled, accelerated, or validated by technology. From the earliest tools to modern computational systems, technology has shaped not only what we discover, but how we discover it. One of the earliest examples is the microscope. Before its development, entire biological worlds were invisible. The ability to magnify cells, bacteria, and tissues transformed biology from observation to experimentation, laying the foundation of modern medicine, microbiology, and genetics. Similarly, the telescope reshaped our understanding of the universe. By extending human vision beyond Earth, it enabled astronomy to evolve into astrophysics, allowing scientists to measure distances, detect exoplanets, and study the origin of the cosmos. As science became more complex, measurement technologies became essential. Precise clocks, sensors, and imaging systems allowed researchers to quantify time, temperature, radiation, and molecular interactions. Accuracy became standard of scientific credibility. In the 20th century, computing technologies marked a turning point. Data that once required years to analyze could now be processed in hours. Computers enabled simulation, statistical modeling, and large-scale experiments from climate science to particle physics. More recently, digital technologies and artificial intelligence have redefined scientific workflows. Machine learning systems analyze genomic data, identify patterns in medical imaging, and accelerate drug discovery. Science increasingly relies on collaboration between human reasoning and computational power. Technology also transformed how science is shared and preserved. Digital publishing, global databases, and open access platforms allow knowledge to move instantly across borders, ensuring that discovery is no longer confined in a single laboratory or country. Looking forward, the relationship between science and technology will deepen. Quantum computing, advanced robotics, and automated laboratories are not just tools, they are becoming partners in discovery. The future of science depends not only on new ideas, but on the technologies that allow those ideas to be tested, scaled, and shared. Progress emerges where curiosity meets capability. Science advances when technology gives it the means to move forward.